Hey there, it's Pete with GCI Turf. Hope you're having a great day today. I've got a special guest coming from Gastonia, North Carolina. His name is Hunter. He just sent me an email and said, hey Pete, I want to come check out your Bermuda putting green. So he's on the way. He's about 2 hours away. So I'm gonna try and get this thing ready really quickly. My goal is to get it up to a 10. If I can get it to a 10, I might just jump up and down. So today I'm gonna mow it, I'm gonna double cut it. I'm going to put a light top dressing of sand on it. And I'm gonna roll the snot out of it with my reel mower. Gonna go over it, mow it one more last time, and then put one more final roll on it before he gets here. Hopefully I can get all that done. If not, then he can just help me finish it up. Now in this process, I've got a new fertilizer I'm trying out. It's a granular micronutrient package, and it's a greens grade, meaning it's little teeny tiny prills. I'm just gonna go and put that on here while I'm doing it, just to kind of see what kind of reaction I get. So I'm just gonna leave the camera running, time lapse a bunch of this and get going, because I don't have much time. Those two little bags of sand had stupid rocks in them. I was gonna broom the sand in anyway, so now I gotta broom it to get the little rocks off. Here's your stupid dad joke, aerification. All right, so now let's get this fertilizer down. This is a, like I said, a micro prill, micronutrient package, and I'm kind of trying out, so we'll see what kind of results I get. Might have this on the website next year. So now I'm gonna roll it, and then I'm gonna take a little bit of light water and kind of settle things down. Go in and eat lunch, that way I'd have time to dry. Come back out, maybe Hunter will be here by then. We'll give it one more mow, and we'll roll it one more time, we'll start putting. So Hunter just drove up from Gastonia, North Carolina. You about 2 hours south of me, close to Charlotte. So close to Charlotte, and he's got turf type tall fescue, really good looking fescue, I might add. I'm gonna throw some pictures up on the screen, show you his yard. Now those pictures you sent me were from the spring and early summer this year, right?
Yes sir, correct. Yes sir.
And you're dealing with a little bit of drought stress right now, but not too bad.
No, not too bad, just a little bit.
It's hanging in there.
Yeah.
All right, good deal.
It's rough, but
we ain't got but a few more months. We'll be back in the fall.
That's right.
Hunter was curious about the Bermuda, so he sent me an email, said, hey, can I run up here and check it out? Got a golf background, wanted to do a little putting. So the timing worked out just right. It was sheer coincidence that today was the day I was going to try to get it up to a 10 on the stimp meter. So we're going to finish this up. Now before you came, I come out here and I mowed it, I double cut it, I put some sand on it, and I put a little fertilizer on it. I rolled it, and I watered all that in. So now we're gonna mow it one more time. I'll mow it the first time, and you can do the double cut on it. And then we're gonna roll it one more time, and then we'll do the stimp meter, see where we're at on the speed. Hopefully we're at 10, fingers crossed, and then we'll just hang out and put a little bit and chill.
Sounds good.
All right.
Thank you, Pete.
be the final roll, and this should get it good and slick, and then the moment of truth, we'll see if we're at a 10.
Woo! That's pretty right there.
That's right. All right, here's the moment of truth.
Yes, sir.
Roll it up until it falls off. Ah, no. That ain't gonna be it. I ain't look at it and tell. It ain't gonna make it. That's too short. That's a little bit better. So, you take right in the middle, that's about 7.3. We'll call that a 7.3.
Okay.
Gosh, it's slower today than it was the other day.
Really? Pretty smooth.
Yeah, it rolls good. It's smooth.
Just not as fast as
It's just not as fast as I want them.
I got you.
But again, this ain't a dwarf Bermuda for greens.
Right.
It may not get to a 10. I don't know. That's a 6.9. So that wouldn't even, it didn't even reach the 7.
7.3.
So, oh well, monkey tail.
So what would that be around?
Well, the middle between 7.3 and 6.9 is what? Somewhere around a 7
Okay.
ish.
Okay.
So they're rolling about 7.
Okay.
That's crazy, man, because the other day they were rolling at 8.5.
Really?
Yeah, so I don't know what's happening, but I'll keep at it, and
Right.
I don't quit, so I'll keep
That's
trying. So
That's all you can do.
let's try another spot.
Okay.
Let's just see what this does. Uh-oh,
Oh.
that was a little bit better.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Looks a little farther. Man. Dead on it.
7.4.
7.4. We'll put her that way.
Let's try one more spot, see
Okay.
what happens.
Alright.
Ah,
that
it
looks
might
pretty
be a
good.
touch further. It ain't gonna be much.
That doesn't look bad at all.
Same.
Wow.
6.9. Well, I'll take it.
Averaging around a 7.
I mean, it ain't bad for a homemade
Alright.
backyard putting
Yeah.
green. So
Hey, you can't beat that.
I'll
Any
take
day
it.
of the week.
Hunter brought his Scotty Cameron with him, thinking he's gonna outdo me. So we got to see about that.
Oh yeah.
Heck yeah.
Do it.
Roll your few. So not quite at a 10 yet, but that's okay. I'll keep on working on it until I get it there. So, you know, we'll see what happens.
Sounds good.
But that's a smooth roll, you know? It rolls really smooth. They're not super fast, but it's not a lot of bumpiness and
Right.
so it's not people left and right in it. Well, I play with my dad. I'd leave one short and he'd say, "Hey, it's your boyfriend play."
Oh man.
Yeah, but I mean, for what it is, it's plenty good.
I might just have to plant me some Bermuda next year.
Oh.
Dang.
And the cool thing is I can go back there. I can move the vehicles out of the driveway
Yeah.
and go back there. That's about what, 60 yards.
Yeah.
It's a good little lob wedge.
I
Cool.
seen that on one of your videos. Yeah.
This green checks really, really
Does
good.
it? Oh,
I mean,
it's
like
super
boom,
soft.
boom.
Ooh. Yes. Ooh, yes.
Appreciate you stopping by.
Man, it's been a pleasure, Steve.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Like I said, Hunter come up from down around the Charlotte area, got to mow a little bit, roll it, and fell a little bit short on the 10 on the stent meter, but you know, it's weird, man. I'm not a golf course superintendent,
Right,
so I don't know what I'm doing here. I'm guessing, I'm going off what other people are telling me. And
Pretty darn close.
I don't know how to do this stuff, man, so I'm just doing the best I can. But it's weird that the other day he was rolling at 8.5. And when you come out here and putt, you could really tell the difference when you're putting.
Yeah.
And it's back down to a 7 now. So
It don't make no sense.
I don't know why that is. I'll dig into it a little bit more and try to maybe go watch some videos or something myself.
Yeah.
And see if I can do anything else to it to get it faster. And this particular variety of Bermuda, it may just not get there.
Right.
I don't know. I have no idea. So
I think you can make it happen, Pete.
I think so too. I'm not the quitter. I don't ever quit doing anything. So I'll
Right.
keep at it the rest of the summer. And if it don't happen, it just don't happen.
That's right.
Well, I appreciate you stopping by.
Appreciate you, Pete.
You're welcome here anytime.
Thank you so much.
Come back. Look at that North Carolina hat that boys
right.
got on. I like that.
Uh-huh.
So hey, as always, I appreciate you taking time out of your day to watch. I'll check you later.
Thank you.